Welcome everyone. Here is how you use the circle to search feature in your iPhone, and I'll cover how to fix this feature not working as well. So first of all, we do need to turn on Apple Intelligence. In order to do this, you're just going to open your settings and just scroll all the way down. And what you're looking for is the Apple Intelligence and Siri option. And inside of here, you just want to see if you can turn on Apple Intelligence with that green toggle right there. Now I'm bringing up my other iPhones because many users will struggle to turn on the Apple Intelligence. You can see this iPhone here has no on toggle. This iPhone here doesn't show Apple Intelligence. I will cover the fixes later on in the video. If you have Apple Intelligence on, let's cover how to use the circle to search feature. So what you do is you take a screenshot. Now the screenshot should immediately show you this preview. If it does not, then what you do is just tap the preview at the bottom left like this. And then the first way to use circle to search is you just draw a circle here. So just draw a circle on what you want to search, and then you can swipe up and it will show all of the results from Google. Now, alternatively, if you have a camera control button, you can long press camera control. It will bring you into the camera, and then you can take a picture of something, and then you can see the picture right here, and you can use the circle to search in there as well. If you don't have a camera control iPhone, then you use the control center to open up the visual intelligence. So just swipe down from the far right hand side, and there should be that visual intelligence button. You tap on that to open it. If there isn't, just add a new control by tapping on plus, and then add a control, and then just look for the visual intelligence option and add that to your control center. Now, if Apple Intelligence is not working, you will have one or two errors. The first one is that you only have the Siri option. You don't even have Apple Intelligence at all. The second one is you have Apple Intelligence and Siri, but the features aren't working and there's no option to turn it on. If it just shows Siri here, this means the hardware of your iPhone does not support Apple Intelligence. So this is iPhone 11, this is not supported. You need to have iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, all iPhone 16 series and newer. That means that iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus do not support Apple Intelligence, only 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. Now this iPhone in question is the iPhone 15 Pro. However, there's no on toggle. Where's the on toggle? Well, the reason why this isn't showing is because the language that you set for Siri is not the same as the region set in your iPhone. So it's a very easy fix. Just look under the Siri request language and tap into this one. And I want you to change this to where you currently live right now. So I live in United Kingdom, so I'll set this to English UK. There we go. And then the next thing you want to do is head into General, and then look for Language and Region. And under Region, set this to your correct region. So not where you were born, but where you are living in right now. So I'm living in United Kingdom, more specifically England, and I can tap into this one to just set the region. If your region's set incorrectly, you do need to change it. And then once that's done, the on toggle should be available. If it's still not available, that means where you live right now, your area does not support the Apple Intelligence feature. So you can try changing your Siri language to English United States, your iPhone region to United States, and if you have that toggle, you can then turn it on and you'll be good to go. If not, you're out of luck. You're going to have to wait for the feature to come to your country. After you turn on the toggle, the circle to search won't show up immediately. You can see it's just not here yet. That's because the files for Apple Intelligence are downloading. Those may take up to 1 hour to download. Once they have downloaded, this text will go away and you'll be able to use Apple Intelligence. You'll be good to go. Real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos anymore. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. And if you didn't find this video useful, leave any questions, any concerns, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.